Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix this group can't be displayed on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead and access your Telegram on your web. It won't work out if you access it from your app. Alright, once you have accessed it, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, tap on this up three horizontal line at top left corner of your screen, and simply go to this option called settings over here. Now this kind of a tip is gonna pop up right here in this section. What you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, scroll down right, and tap on this option called privacy and security. And now again you're gonna scroll down to the bottom, and here in this section you could find this option called sensitive contents and disable filtering. So for example, by default, if it's turned off, that will cause the problem for you to not being able to access some of the groups, right? Simply go ahead, turn this on by tapping it in. Once the blue check mark appears, then you're done. Then you will be able to get access to all of the group of yours. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.